So here's the entrance to the Shedd Aquarium. Got this guy greeting us with a fish spitting water. And I would get your tickets online, so you're guaranteed a spot, but they do have tickets here. Here's the entrance to the Shedd Aquarium. There's a gift shop over there, some fish on the ceiling. So here's when you first enter. This should be the entrance over here that they're remodeling. Coming down from the ceiling here, they have these two massive tanks here. One freshwater, one saltwater. This is a saltwater tank. All the different saltwater fish. And across from this, we have the freshwater fish. Here's a lighthouse for the Great Lakes fish. Got these guys down here. These are brook trouts. Here's another tank, more of the Great Lakes. Largemouth bass. Lots of fish right here. Oh, look at that guy down there. That's a sturgeon. Oh, there's another big one down there. This one kind of has no pigmentation. These guys actually suck the life out of their prey. Oh, that one's actually moving. Kind of like a big long leech and an eel in one. So these are burbots. Oh, there you can kind of see them a little better. I don't know if they burrow under. White-spotted jellyfish. This is a continuation of the Great Lakes. I believe this is a California Monterey. Kind of just growing on the bottom there. Cheirianthius. Prickleback.
Octopus. Yeah, I figured he's making a picture. I like him. Look at this guy.
Here's some crabs. The big crab there. Look like big spiders. Entering the wild reef here. Another guy over there. Fish above. They're cleaning the tank. These are the flashlight fish. Oh yeah, it just lit up there. Here's what they look like. Here's the lionfish. Here comes one now. There's actually quite a few of them up there. Here's the stingrays down here. Here's a better look zoomed in. Opposite of the stingrays is this huge glass area. Tons of schools of fish. Oh, some of the sharks are in here too. There's a shark there. Here comes a shark past. Here's this guy, kind of orange, with the coral. Here's some clownfish. Here's some clownfish. Oh, there's one down there. Lots of them in this tank. Oh, there he is. Here's a neon kind of coral. Here's the mangroves. And the fish underneath. Look at the root system of this. These are upside down jellyfish. There's so much to see here, actually. This is showing how the coral actually reproduces. So here's the Amazon rising section. Not sure what these are. They look like catfish. Here's some fish, and there's a stingray back there. I don't know if he's going to come to the front. So here's the Amazon area. And here's the fishes underneath. There is a stingray, but he's not coming. Have some ducks here. And then down below, there's actually a spotted stingray. Black stingray, black spotted stingray. Got this guy, and then we got this alligator here. Emerald tree boa. There's a big turtle. And this guy's coming through here. Oh, no, look at those guys back there. And there's another spotted stingray right over there. This guy's just hanging at the bottom here. Oh, here looks like there's one coming by him. Oh, look at this fish coming. Linda. He is massive. Up, little hit. Oh, here he comes. Got a nice red to him. These are like neon tetras. Here's a stingray touch experience. Here's a stingray feeding area. Put my hand in there. Oh, oh, is that weird? It's like a suction. If you put your hand low enough, they'll go on top of it. You gotta get really low though, like this. Oh, it's like a wet mushroom. So this is a stingray touch experience. Coming up on the Oceanarium here. So we're coming up on the Otter Trail. So now I'm at the Otter experience in the Oceanarium, which is over here. Here he comes. Here's one of the otters of two.
Yes.
Guys, this is the only part we don't touch the very discussion.
Yeah, that's one of our legacy stars.
It's huge.
So we have
That one's a giant legacy star. It's one of the large ones.
The one right next to it is
We have some upstairs that have 24 legs. That one's called the sunflower sea star, but like diameter, it's actually
We
smaller.
also have that little small.
Wow.
It is smaller. Yeah.
Lots of different.
You can actually touch the starfish here.
They eat anything that they can get to their bottom feeders, so they eat anything on the benthic layer. They eat clams, mollusks, anything like bivalve with a shell that they can pry open. They've also been known to eat crabs, which is something I would really like to see a video of or something. Right?
I wonder how big this tank is. We'll have to get them from the top too. Icy South, the penguins.
Smiling.
And they're standing at attention.
Look at this guy.
It's funny when they jump in, if you ever catch that. Oh, there are hams over there.
Right?
My slime.
Oh, smiling. Wow. Here's more jellyfish. They are pretty cool, though. So this concludes my video of the Shedd Aquarium right on Chicago's lakefront. Definitely a great place to come out and see. There's 4 floors to it. There's beluga whales, penguins, different Great Lakes fish, had some crabs, they had some starfish, they had stingrays. Stingrays and starfish you could actually touch, which is included with the admission, so that's pretty cool. So this concludes the video. Thanks for watching.